Here's the solution to hold the Dagger board down. I just have a bit of rope and a bungee cord. I can adjust the tension here. If I'm coming towards shallows and I want to beach the boat, I just go like this. There's the Dagger board up position. It's just a bit of rope used to hold it up. It's above the bottom, about a ½ inch. Block is about an inch above the water line, maybe an inch and a half. Here's a rudder set up. It's a kick-up rudder. Here's the hold down. This is gonna probably go, I'm gonna make this longer and I'm probably gonna move it somewhere in the middle of this pole here. This I have it pinned. So in the front hole, it's slightly going port, and in the back hole it's slightly going to starboard. So I don't know which way it's going to go. I can always drill a third hole if neither of those work, but I'm not going to do that now until I have all the other stuff on the boat. So the good thing is you can lock this when you're paddling or rowing, and it's not overhanging this rail, so you're not going to hit it with your paddle. Also, when you're sleeping, it's out of the way. It's funny, I just repurposed the lee board I just made from my shuttle punt for the rudder for this boat. I hope the rudder is going to be big enough. I think this boat will turn really quickly. Here's the other side. It's real simple. It's just a house hinge on a block. And the reason I have this hole is so I can reach those lock nuts and tie it on. Range. It's about just over 45 degrees, and this way it goes way over that way. So, I can actually radius the edge here a little bit more, and then it would turn a little bit tighter. All right, let's check out the weight. It's 64 pounds. Here's a nice video showing the shape, the profile, the top shape. All right, I'm gonna spread out the 4-ounce fiberglass cloth. It's just too windy out here. This was a bad idea. Okay, I got at least this half of the boat epoxied, and there's some glass on it all the way to the middle. The wind was gusting at 22 knots, and it actually blew my ladder over. So it was not the ideal time to do this, but I managed to get it done. Put some wax paper on this corner. That was 900 grams of epoxy that I just put on the boat, which is just shy of 1 kilogram, so about 2 pounds. And this always happens. As soon as you want to leave, you see something that you don't like these very subtle ripples that really, I don't know what to do about the ripples. They just appeared while I was washing my hands.